before I conclude my performance, I just have one last song. The song is very personal to me. I composed this song when I was also in my college when I was studying. I was doing my bachelor's. 2017 was the year actually 2016 was the year I composed that song. So today being a program for the students especially, we all share the same hopes and dreams, that we all want to make it one day, right? We all have a dream. Back when I was in my college, I wanted to graduate also, but at the same time, I wanted to chase my dream also, that is to become a rapper. Still now I'm chasing my dream, but no dream is too small if you dare to dream, right? So I would like to dedicate this song especially to all the young brothers and sisters, all my brothers and sisters also studying here also, outside Nagaland also, who is studying abroad also, that we all can make it one day. The song is dedicated to all of you. I would like to, if you know the song, please join with me, okay everyone? My throat, Amazon pick up the song is called One Day, let's go. You can open up your flashlight, everyone. Yeah. Hey! So beautiful. One day. Sing it! One day. Yeah, you guys ready? Said the day was a good day, feeling like a nice cute, chilling in the corner, can't nobody mess with my mood. I got this vibe, then I'm gonna do something good. Who's gonna tell you when you're gonna be you? We played our part, yeah we gave our heart. Pushing to the limits, though our days seem stuck. The road seems far, so we gotta reach out. With the heads held high, like a new moves well. I'm paying sometimes not knowing I can make it. Struggling for a smile, sometimes I gotta fake it. Taking down blocks and I don't know what to do. Came from the news, not cool to be you. But it's just for a moment, don't ever go straight. We've been through a lot and it's time for a change. Nothing will amount to the prices you have paid. Just keep on holding on, cause we gonna make it one day. Cause never want to say about you. All my hopes rely on you. Open my eyes for something new. Maybe I can make it one day. Cause last night I was thinking about you. All my hopes rely on you. I open my eyes for something new. Maybe we can make it one day. Thinking about you, all my hopes relied on you. I open my eyes for something new. Maybe I can make it one day. Cause last night I was thinking about you. All my hopes relied on you. I open my eyes for something new. Maybe we can make it one day. Thank you so much, my musical. Thank you for being an awesome crowd. I hope to be back very soon. And yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.